They told us it came from the market, a bat and a pangolin tail. Wet markets and mystery viruses carried on the wind like a gale. The papers were signed in the background, grants sent across the sea to a lab in Wuhan where they tinkered with bugs that never should be. COVID-19 wasn't a freak of nature, Fauci was. COVID-19 wasn't a freak of nature, Fauci was. He sat in that Senate chamber, face pale as a ghost. When they asked him the questions, he took the fifth and stayed silent as stone. Gain of function, they called it, making the bad into worse. Playing God in a biosafety level where danger's the curse. Emails redacted and hidden, stories that don't align. While millions were dying and businesses broken, they said trust the science as the line. COVID-19 wasn't a freak of nature, Fauci was. COVID-19 wasn't a freak of nature, Fauci was. He sat in that Senate chamber, face pale as a ghost. When they asked him the questions, he took the fifth and stayed silent as stone. Mask on, masks off, 6 feet apart. The rules kept on changing, it tore us apart. But the money trail leads to the neon door, and the man who knew everything suddenly ain't sure no more. They called him the science, made him a saint on the TV every night, while he funded the research that might have made the plague take flight. Now the cameras are off and the Senate lights are burning bright, and the right to remain silent is the only thing he's claiming tonight. COVID-19 wasn't a freak of nature, Fauci was. COVID-19 wasn't a freak of nature, Fauci was. No more trust the science, no more listen to me. When you're pleading the fifth, you're just a freak like you made the world see. Not from nature, not from fate, just a monster we helped create. Fauci took the fifth that day, while the truth just slipped away.